Hello guys, welcome back to my channel MEKNEX Natural Hair and Wig City, where I do hair tricks and tips. Today I'm going to be making afro ponytail, and we'll be making it from the cap down to the wig and also the hair. Here I have an old stockings, but if you can afford a new one, by all means get it. Then I'm going to be cutting it into half, and I also have an elastic rope. I got this one from a shirt, and also a bead. This bead, I will tell you the importance later, but it's really important for this afro cap. But you can get any bead of your choice. Okay, I'm going to be making a knot here. You can also use a sewing machine to make this knot, but I prefer tying it because I feel it's stronger when I tie. Alright, I'm just going to be tying it the regular way we tie. So this is what it should look like when you finish tying. Okay, now we are going to be attaching this to the stockings by sewing. I'm going to be using a needle and a thread to sew this. You can also use a sewing machine to sew this in order to make it faster and maybe neat. And also be very careful while sewing so you don't attach the band to the stockings. Or you can finish sewing before attaching your bands in. But I like doing it this way. It makes the job just easier. And we are done. Okay, this is the hair I'm going to be using, one of my DIYs, and I'm going to be putting the step-by-step method on how I made this at the end of this video. So if you're interested, please stay to the end, and also don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I'm just going to be cutting it because I'm making an afro ponytail, remember, so it has to be short, but I can make it longer if I want, but I want a shorter one now. So this is what I'm going to be wearing the cap on. When you get this cap, you do not need to stress anymore. Your afro ponytail is ready. Just go round and round with your hair and you're done. You don't need to measure perimeter. You don't need to measure where to put your hair in or where not to put. You just crochet this hair round, every angle, every corner. If you want it fuller, don't leave any space. If you want it scanty, then leave spaces in between your hair, in between your crochets. That's basically it. There's nothing hard here anymore. The only thing is just get your cap right. So you see, in 30 minutes, you will be done doing this because you do not need to measure perimeters again. Do not need to measure anything. You do not need to know where to put your hair and where not to put. Just go around the cap. And another thing, please don't use this my crochet. Don't use a big crochet pin for this because it's going to stress you out. Use a smaller one. I just couldn't get the smaller one, that's why I'm using the big one. So use a smaller one. I think we have a crochet needle that is way smaller than this one. So use a smaller one for this, unless you are ready for the stress like I did. Guys, you need to feel this hair. It's so soft. I think this hair is the best for Afro ponytail, and it costs you less than, way less than anything you can imagine. All right, I'm done, and I'm going to be combing out so I can trim. So I'll just comb out all the coils that I do not need. Just comb it out, but definitely you're still going to retain a lot of coils. And see, it looks so natural and flawless. Guys, I think you need to try this. You need to try this. And this is the lazy girl's hack. You can just throw it on your hair and you are good to go. We are done. See what it looks like. See? Ready for your hair. Just pull. Wow, we are done. This is a ponytail, Afro ponytail. So guys, because I'm still on my protective style, the one I did during my last video, I'm going to be trying it on this lovely babe here. So this is just how you install. And back to what I said about the use of the bead. This bead is just going to help you when you want to take down the rope. It's going to help you locate where the rope is. So see how beautiful this is. Okay, now we are going to be making the hair we used for this afro. We are going to be needing a straight hair, any kind. This one is an expression product, and you are going to be making it look like this, just like this. Comb out, oil it with Vaseline, and go in with your straw like this. Using this kind of straw is very difficult to handle, so you can maybe look for a hard straw, or if you are going to use this straw, maybe put a stick into the straw. But I'm already used to making it, so it doesn't take me that much stress. I don't put any stick anymore. I just go in that easily. So I'm going to be doing one more so you see how it goes. Put your straw in, then twist your hair round. Here I'm putting bobby pin, but the first one I did not put bobby pin because I'm already used to making it without anything. So you need your bobby pin. It's very important to hold your end so it doesn't lose while you are twisting. So you twist around, and the straws I'm using, they are the ones I've already used over and over again. So you can manage your own straw this way. Always use it after using it again. You don't have to always buy new straw. I use mine as often and until it burns. I keep using it. So you see, you go on and on. You do not need to add anything to the end because the ends of the attachments can help you. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to hot water it and then let it dry.